This week we're looking at single beds. We've got a Bailey Unicorn Cadiz. This is one of the higher ranged models of the Bailey, and as I say, it's got 2 single beds. Should we have a look inside and see what it's like? So we're inside of the Bailey Unicorn Cadiz, and this is a single bed van. Now we've got single beds at the front here. This makes into a nice big double bed. These are a really good length for lounging out during the day, or again for extra single beds, so it makes into a nice versatile van, this one. We've got a nice big kitchen area, nice bit of shaping to this, which just makes all the difference, and again plenty of storage all the way through. Nice cupboards and cabinetry throughout, and again this just glossy panel makes quite a nice difference. Nice LED lighting all the way through. We've got the big slimline fridge in this one. It is the slimline, but it's the nice big fridge. And then we've got the single beds. Now these are fantastic either for the kids, you're not going to keep making beds up all the time, or if you fell out with the missus and you just want to sleep separately, absolutely ideal. You've not got to be next to her. Unfortunately, they are quite close, so if she snores a lot in the night, then you're still going to be quite close. You're probably going to have to go up the front and put the little door across just to blank her off. But it's not a bad layout, to be fair. Quite nice having the single beds, and then nice washroom at the back. Good separate shower and toilet, so it gives you enough room in there to actually get dressed, etc. The Bailey Cadiz is 1491 kilograms maximum, which is quite good weight, to be fair, for everything that we've got on this, because we've got the Aldi central heating, we've got the slimline tall fridge freezer, we've got the nice finish on all of the units.